Welcome back. Just got the gas filled for the MIG welder. It's about time. Had a little delay, had some housework to do and garage work to do, but that's all set up, and I'm just gonna slap it straight to time-lapse mode, and let's get at that time-lapse. Well, I think that's about it for the welding. Just kind of stitched it all the way through, took turns, jumped on each side, let it cool down so it doesn't warp out too much. But in this case, it didn't matter if it warped anyways. It's under the hood. It wouldn't warp that much with all this structure in here. But yeah, check it out. I think it looks like bird shit, but you know, when it gets grinded down and filled with some body filler, it'll be all good. So I think I'm gonna get cleaned up, and I gotta continue this another day because I got my niece's birthday. Gotta go surprise her, you know, do something a little nice. So catch you later. Thanks for staying tuned.